These guys are the best in roofing.
They made the process very easy for us.
They're really with you like every step of the way. They don't just sell you the roof and then, forget about you and go and do their thing.
They had an army getting after it hard, and they moved really efficiently and effectively.
The speed at which these guys work is night and day to other companies.
I was amazed at the fact that they brought a crew in here of probably 8, 9 guys, and within 2 days the job was done.
It was always as clean as could be. When the guys left, you never knew that there was being work done on the house, and I loved it.
They put a sheet that came down to the lawn to drop all the materials in, and then they would bring it over to the dumpster. They then were several times during the day rolling around the magnet to pick up loose nails, and then did that in the driveway, and then came back a day after the dumpster was picked up and re-went and checked everything in the driveway to make sure there was no nails or any material. Everything was perfect.
Connectivity was off the charts. They were doing a great job keeping us connected, showing us video from drone footage on every step of the way.
You're always aware of what's going on.
There was no hidden fees. They were very upfront. They were very transparent. They turned around and had a communication before doing anything in the process.
Product's product, but communication and the process, it's got to be perfect, and it was with us.
I'm happy. I'm happy, and I'm not just saying it, I am happy.
I'm very happy.
It was fantastic, it was painless, and we had no issues whatsoever. I would do my customer service again with them.
I am going to be working with Gunner again, both on gutters and on some window replacements. Another project I was not planning, but now it was so easy, I might as well go on to the next project.
I thought I was gonna have to do the roof and the windows. And they were like, oh, we can do the windows too. I was like, what? And they took care of all that too. Gunner Roofing got the job done.
You're in safe hands with Gunner, there's no doubt in my opinion.
And that's why you should go with Gunner.